My people, National Assembly don't bring another one again. This one shock me to my bones. Oh, they say now any girl wey never reach 18 years, wey never reach 18 years but e don marry, they say make dem consider am as matured person, meaning say that person now, as long as say e be 18, e don marry, or e no even be 18, they fit get right to vote. Nigeria. Northerners no go kill us. Abi most of una dey watch Africa Magic, una go agree with me say before the gods start dey destroy people, they go first turn them to mad people. Na the thing wey dey happen to these people now, all of them just dey kolo up and down. See desperate people, they no even know wetin they want again, all in the name of power. Some people now wey see these people wey they abuse, they abuse all these underage girls, they destroy them. Now them now they bring us say make they marry. How 18 years or person wey never even reach 18 go marry? Even 18 sef na child abuse. How 18? No, wetin they know? 18 years human being, wetin this girl go know? How she go even fit keep house? I don dey talk this thing before. Una no wan gree with me. Northerners, make they start their own country. Oh, because as e be like this, we no see Nigerians no fit dey with people like this wey they no dey think like human being. E better make everybody go start their own country. Which kind evil be this one? This is weak. Shame no even dey catch them at all. Shame dey far from these people. This is evil. It's less than 18 years. I don't know whether una even dey understand this thing where they talk. They say as long as say they don't marry, say they get right to vote. Make una open una eye. Open this una eye, because as I dey see this matter, these people now they look for way to increase their votes. And you know, say for northern part of Nigeria they plenty. Now they use this one gather people so that when election come now, they go just, their votes go just go high. If we now allow these people succeed, now be say Nigeria don't finish. Now be say all these answers, all this thing where we dey fight for our rights, now be say it go dey in vain, because now the same people will go still sit down for that place. I no go dey shock. Very very soon, they go soon they tell us now say cows and goats they allowed to vote. Very soon, na small thing. People wey already dey craze. Imagine they even they play with human being life. Wetin be animal? They go just talk say, oh yeah, all of now, if you get cow, if you get goat, just bring them. And you know say na them get and pass. They go find any excuse to make people now to start because they want to increase their vote. They go anything wey go, as long as say go increase. You dey joke with these people. I no understand whether na by force. People no want to now. Una no go allow people rest. I no understand though. Oh yeah, marry under 18 marriage. Why not scholarship? No, these children wey they to say may they go marry whether you don't reach 18 or not. No be scholarship these people suppose they focus on. Give all these young people reason to they study hard. Mba, you say na marriage, na vote. Una no even dey shame. Other countries now, they move forward with technology, development, science, manufacturing. Nigeria own. I don't know whether na swear where they swear for una. Una own na to dey think, na to dey debate on, okay, who don't right for marriage, person we don't right to vote. Abi una get children. We are sending una children when they go marry now. Now why not see Northerners wahala plenty. Now they bring their lifestyle to affect the whole nation, because that's so they live. See, if you born pikin now, we be gay. The day where you born now, person don't come pay bride price. Person don't come. In fact, it be like food where they order. As you push them out, now this one I want. As small like that, and by the time they reach 11 or 10, you go still say they don't start. Which kind dirty things una they do? If you like, raise all the vegetables where they in a village, make they vote. If God don't say enough, na enough. nothing we una go fit do. Una go still comot for that seat. So no need for us to even stress ourselves. But my people still on this matter, make una open una eye. I don't bring this one now so that una go know wetin dey happen. Because any small thing now, these people go just change una mind. You understand? Na the case be this. But I still want to know your own opinion. Wetin you think? Wetin you dey suggest? Wetin be your advice? We need discuss this thing now, and where e go happen na for the comment section. So share this video, make everybody know wetin dey share for this show. You understand? And click on that like button and the notification button so that you no go miss anything where we dey post for here. Yes, don't go far. I go see you later. Hey, all these upcoming artists. Yes, they say her name na Quincy Benna. She don't come outside, they cry. Don't disturb my ear finish. They say they rape am, say the guy invite am, make them come out on a date, say dinner or lunch. Now she can't agree, say okay, dinner go good. My people, after dinner, the guy even get another type of dinner on top. Yeah. Now the girl don't come they disturb our ear for internet. She know they allow us rest. He say she want justice. Say this matter must not end like this. So my people, I beg. I don't know whether una know am by the name, but I bring her video so that for now when you know her with that name, maybe her face una go know am. I want make una hear her with una own ear. Make we watch the video.
I've been trying to be strong. I've been trying to think that everything is going to be all right, but guys, like I feel suicidal right now. Literally like on the 9th floor of a freaking hotel room, and I feel like jumping down the drain. I need justice. I freaking need justice, guys.
When I hear this matter, for my mind I just dey thought say, wait, this thing, something they miss for inside this case. No, when I hear this gist, I say something they miss. See, you know they add up, just like that. Now I come start dey do my own investigation. You understand? Because this guy obviously he no go rape you for restaurant. Now be say after you chop, una carry una 2 leg, you sef you waka with am enter room, una go do another thing. Nah, you don't come turn and say because the way she screenshot their chat, you understand? When she come outside, they shall say she want justice. She screenshot their chat. Oh, now she come post only the one wey go favor am, where people go dey talk say she be good person, or say everybody just dey insult the guy. Now I say make una relax. This thing no fit just be like this. We need hear the 2 sides of the story. You understand? Now I say okay, oh, I go reach bottom of this matter for una sake, because now for una I dey do all this thing. You understand? And now my people, hey, I don't find out. Relax. Una no go believe. These 2 people, according to the guy, because I don't hear the guy side too. The guy say they meet. You understand? They don't meet, no be today. Oh, say they know each other. So they get one party wey happen for Abuja. Now so the girl come say, babe, come over now. Make we, you understand, make we hang out. Now so the girl to agree where she go. And as the party they share gone. Now so the guy come tell her say, me I go like sleep with you. He tell her hold her. Ice block no dey mouth. Now so the girl come say, okay, oh, if you go and sleep with me, then be say no go be for free. Wahala don't wear panto. She say you no go be for free. Say they must, you understand? After they do the belembe, the man must give her money. Relax. He can't tell her say okay, how much you go collect. The girl first talk say $1,000. Your pussy na good. Now so the guy say, me I no go fit pay you this kind of money. Oh, say I beg, you go reduce am. See as they bargain. All this one she no tell us. So have you not watch the video? She does they do like saying that the boy they at fault. And they give una gist. Now so she come dey bargain. Now so the guy come say, okay, finally last now 200,000 naira I fit give you. Now the girl say okay. They can't agree say after they do one night because the guy want me she stay an extra day. So the guy come tell her say okay when we finish today I will give you 100. Then tomorrow I will send you the other 100. They agree. Now this girl now after they finish where this boy no gree pay am come outside say they rape am my people. See you no go better for some people for this life oh. No, because see, make it no be like say na me just dey talk because I wan talk. Make una hear the guy own version of the story. You understand? Where they interview am concerning this matter, watch am first.
The said girl, I've known her for since this year. I met her this year actually. So we exchanged numbers. We've been friends on social media, Snapchat and co. So she's been. So there was one time there was a party in Abuja. She said I invited her to come for the party. She said I should pay for her flights and book a hotel for her, and I'm supposed to give her money too. So I waved that one off. I didn't talk to her after then. So recently she told me she was coming to Abuja first, that she had something that she wants to move to Abuja. She wants to rent a place.
Yeah.
So when she came, she was in one other hotel like that. I don't know the hotel. So I told her, since she's in Abuja now, let's link up. Let's have lunch or dinner.
Yeah.
She now said, okay, dinner is fine. So the following day, she moved into Hilton. So she said, so I texted her, I said, what time would be convenient for you for dinner? She said 8 is fine. So she moved. I went to the Hilton to meet her for the breakfast. So we went to the executive floor on the 10th floor.
The Hilton was when?
Hilton. She moved to Hilton again day before yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah. So we went to the executive floor for dinner.
Okay.
So yeah. So after dinner, we went down to the casino together. I was playing casino. She said she's interested too. I put money for her. I told her to play. So on the process, her manager called her or something. So she left. So before then, I was telling her that.
Oh, her manager. What does she do?
She's a singer.
Okay.
Yeah. So she said she wanted us to. So I told her that I wanted to have sex with her. She now said I'm not going to do that for free. And I asked, okay, so what's involved in the thing? She told me I should pay $1,000. I told her I cannot pay $1,000.
Oh, she asked to pay $1,000.
Yes.
Okay.
So I said what I can pay is $200. I cannot pay $1,000. So she said no, that she's not taking it, that it's poor. I said no problems. So I went to the club. So I was in the club with my friends. She messaged me and was like, "Where are you?" I said, "I'm at the club." She now said, if she doesn't see me in her room in the next 5 minutes, that she's going to change her mind.
From the $200 back to the $1,000.
No, I didn't agree on the $1,000. So it's the $200, not $200 or $200,000 though.
Okay, so she initially said $200. She initially said $1,000.
Yes.
And then you offer that $200,000, which is like $500 or maybe about $400.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. But she refused. So I left her. She left. She went back upstairs. So later she texted me and was like, I should get to the hotel in the next 5 minutes unless you change her mind. I was with my friends then. So I showed my friends. I was like, see that girl, because my friends knew. We had dinner with my friends at the executive floor. Yeah. So my friends knew already what was going on. So I told them, the girl said I should come for the $200 though. So I rushed. I had to rush back to the hotel. So when I got there, she was drinking and smoking. She was drinking rubies and smoking already, smoking kush. So, we got down. We started having sex. So after the sex, I told her that I didn't want her to go. That I wanted her to stay one more night. She now said, unless I have to book her room. I said, that's not a problem. So I have points now. So I had to book the room in front of her with my points. And I put her as the additional guest of the hotel. Okay. But I had to use my name because I'm a diamond member at the Hilton.
Okay.
So I showed her the booking. I told her this is it and this is your name. Because I asked her name, she told me. So I told her this is the booking. So tomorrow you could just go and check into the room. That they'll have to check you out because she was in the standard room. So I told her that what will happen is because of my name, they will upgrade her to something better, maybe a royal room or something.
Yeah.
So we now.
Now, wow, my people. No, una see how some women they behave. If na man now, una go quick they curse am. See am. Now she open mouth agree. I don't know whether una fit they see the screenshot of the chat. I bet help me they put them. If una fit read and they read them, everything they clear. Now this girl, when you agree with them, you no can't tell us so. Say okay, now this thing they go on. Now they don't dupe you, they don't dupe you. You don't come outside now, when they cry. This girl no allow my phone rest. Oh, Madam Aproko, we must expose this guy. Oh, I want justice. I say relax. She even lied to me. Now I say lie, I must expose this case. Hey, last, you don't expose yourself, my sister. You don't expose yourself. My people, I believe say same penalty where they give boys where they rape. Now, what they supposed give this girl? For lying on top of somebody because una agree. You go sleep with man for money. The thing don't go wrong now. You don't they test. Who send you? No. Who send you? Now me carry you see me for there. I be now me tie your leg. Say, ha! Una they lie anyhow. Dinner they hungry you. Now you know just enter your kitchen doing me. You just say they follow man. Hungry people. My people, all these female artists, fear them. Oh. Fear them. They go they intimidate us when we know they sing so that we go they envy them. Now lie, all of them are scam. See, women, make I tell you something. Man go treat you the way you present yourself. If you present yourself as cheap, they go treat you as waiting cheap. Make una carry that one for una head. And according to the matter, they say the guy na doctor. No say girls, we know they use our ear better thing. This one don't hear say doctor they live for Abuja. You don't go open leg. Not be everybody where they stay for Abuja get money. Oh. I pity una. I just they pity all of una. So they go finish the count una underwear finish. Una no go know. Ha! You run here. You sabi lie. If you see her for the video, the way she they cry, you go pity am. Now the first time I watched this video, it touched my heart. But something just enter me and say, Madam, think twice. My people, no judge book by cover. See, if na one skirt and one top where you get, wash am, clean, iron am, they wear am. No allow anybody intimidate you for internet. No allow am because of one thing now so I even see some people who break up with their boyfriend. Boy where they try on a normal day. You know too rich, oh boy, they try. You don't see your friend where they follow sugar daddy. You go break up with your boyfriend. At the end, you go jam rock. Una suppose open your eyes. See, this world of today is different. Girls, fear girls. Oh.